My name is Maria. I am from Piedmont Meditation. My topic is me who has minds about others. What I realized through this reflection meditation method is the way my mind works is I take pictures of everyone around me, and I also take a picture of myself in that moment, and I create my own standards and judgments about everyone. When I see a person, what first thing I see is how they dress. Are they rich? Are they poor? Are they short? Are they tall? Are they good looking? Are they ugly? And according to these standards and judgments, I judge this person and I treat this person. So through the reflection method, I saw myself and I was able to let go of all these false preconceptions and judgments about people. After meditation, I feel much more free talking with everyone and communicating with everyone. I have a lot of friends and just the conversations are much more easier, and being with people actually became very enjoyable. So I'm really grateful for this method and I hope everybody can do it.